Hi, I'm Hara. This is my first time in a Wake Dance celebration, and it's been a really, really great and crazy experience. Here, you just dance, you feel yourself, you feel the music, you connect with you, with the others, with the Mother Earth, and it's really amazing because you can experience a lot of dances here. I'm really curious now with the Biodanza that it will be this morning. Um, and yeah, the facilitators are really great professors. They know what to do and they really put your heart inside of the music, of the power of dancing. And yeah, so here it's a way and it's a place to just feel and be yourself.
If you could say your experience here in 3 words, like just put it in 3 words.
Okay, 3 words: connection, power, and trust.
Thank you.